Do you know what it feels like to be designed by rape and become pregnant with no one standing by you except you, my mother?
Anything at all to take this wickedness that I see out of your system.
It's because of you that old miserable man had the guts to come here and spit rubbish. Where are you coming from? And act like I'm the one suffering you, and people will think I'm the one maltreating you, not knowing that you're the one giving me headache. But before you kill me, I will kill you.
You suddenly think you know Kate more than I do? Listen, the both of you have found friendship in each other. I wish you luck.
I needed to have seen how your brother humiliated me in front of the maids and guards.
She started calling me bad luck and calling me a witch. Mama, is it true I'm a witch?
No! You will not just die and let me have my peace. And let me be!
Let's not open our mouth and be talking anyhow because we are black people who doesn't value women like the whites.
You said this is not my business?
Of course it is not your business.
I know how to treat your kind. You're a heartless woman.
Tell your son to release my daughter to me who he took away. You have the guts to run your mouth before the prince of this land. I'm
going to skin you alive.
You don't come here to preach forgiveness about someone who tore my life into shreds. A man who broke me. A man whose parents threw me out of the house forgetting about my pregnancy.
Anytime you dare me, enter here to talk nonsense, you have your miserable self to blame.
I told you, you and I are done. That is final. Find yourself someone that you can toss around.
I want you to bring my daughter back. She has lots of work to do here. Have you lost it? They are the worst set of creatures God ever created.
I am going to make a stand before the others in council and defend that nonsense which you have spoken.
Do I have a mother? No, I don't. But I'm Nanti because you rescued me. She could have killed an innocent baby and found her way to her womb. Daddy, because you welcomed me to this palace and gave me a sleeping mat at your daisy and made me sleep with you on your own royal bed. She could have killed me and buried me as she always threatened.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.